So as you can see, I'm using the Sony Xperia X. So now I'm recording the video with my Sony Xperia X Ultra to demonstrate the SPG gimbal. I mean, I can easily pan around the SPG gimbal I want. As you can see, this is an amazing device, to be honest with you. I don't think so there's anything better than this one on the market. I mean, wow, this is an amazing little device. Oh, I mean, when I walk, it always tries to stabilize the image. I mean, that is really very hard to believe, to be honest with you. As you can see, let me do this. Wow, I'm really very much impressed with it, to be honest with you. I mean, wow, I mean, this is an amazing device. Wow, I don't think so there's anything better than this one. I'm using the
Wow.
Sony Xperia front camera, selfie camera to record the video with my FeiyuTech SPG Gimbal. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality. I'm really liking it. Before I was using the Sony Xperia X rear camera. I mean, this is an amazing product, to be honest with you. I can easily pan around and show you whatever I want to show you. I mean, I'm really very much impressed with this product, to be honest with you. I don't think so there's anything better than this one on the market.